G'day guys, Carl Jocumsen here at Lake Pro Tackle, and always enjoy coming in here because they have a phenomenal range of big glide baits, big swim baits. You can check them out. They always are ahead of the curve when it comes to that, so it always costs me a little bit money when I walk in here. But the cool part is they have Miller rods. They have stocked a full range of Miller rods, my sponsor since I was 15, 16 years old. And we have a full range that we've custom designed for US fishing, and we're always refining them. And we have a rod that I've helped design specifically for glide baits, for big paddle tails, the mag draft 8-inch, 10-inch, and then 6, 8, and 10-inch glide baits. And it's called the Dream Freak. You've probably seen me using it. If you've ever seen me using a glide bait, this is the rod that I'm using. I've caught my PBs on it, fish over 10. You can boat flip big fish. It's got loads of power, 7'10". It's got a detachable handle so the guys can ship them very easy to you, but it's nice because you can put it in your rod locker and put it away and it's not gonna jam up, and when it fits back together, it's like a one piece. You don't see any join there. It's so nice. Has that big long handle to get it under your armpit, make those winds have plenty of power, and you can literally can't cast this hard enough. You can cast it as hard as you like into the wind, big glides, making long casts. But also, if you've seen a few years ago, I was pitching a glide into laydowns and stuff like that and working it around, and just a beautiful rod, custom design. I tell people, if you want to get into swim baiting, get the right setup from the start. I always put a Tranx 300 on this with a nice slow retrieve, and 20, 25 pound sunline shooter straight through, and you are ready to go. So if you're want to get into glide baiting, or if you're into it and you want a specific rod that's made for it, this is the Dream Freak from Miller Rods.